Question number 8. Who among the following assassinated the last Mauryan king Brihadratha? Answer is A. Question number 2. The last Sunga ruler was assassinated by his minister Vasudev, who later founded which dynasty? Answer is A. Question number 3. Who is the most famous Shaka ruler known for his inscription at Girnar? Answer is B. Question number 4. Ashwaghosha was a poet in the court of which king? Answer is D. Question number 5. Who were the first kings to issue the largest hoards of gold coins in India? Answer is D. Question number 6. Gautami Putra Shatkarni was the greatest ruler of which empire in the 2nd century CE? Answer is D. Question number 7. Which literary work narrates the love story between King Agnimitra and the handmaiden Malvika during the Shunga dynasty? Answer is B. Question number 8. Who successfully thwarted the attempt of Demetrius I of Bactria to penetrate into India during the Shunga dynasty? Answer is C. Question number 9. What was the primary capital of the Satavahan dynasty? Answer is C. Question number 10. Which ruler is associated with the repair of the Sudarshan Lake for improved irrigation during the Satavahan rule? Answer is B. Question number 11. In which language were most inscriptions of the Satavahan rulers written? Answer is A. Question number 12. Which Kushna ruler is associated with the 4th Buddhist council at Kundalwan Vihar in Kashmir? Answer is D. Question number 13. Who among the following was known as Amitrochates? Answer is B. Question number 14. Which of the following statements is correct regarding the Satvahans? Answer is A. Question number 15. Which of the following is the only epigraphical evidence available about Chandragupta Maurya? Answer is D. Question number 16. Which ancient text uniquely chronicles the invasion and retreat of the Yavana, Greek, forces during the late Shunga period in Magad? Answer is B. Question number 17. The monumental Buddhist stupa at Shaji Ki Dheri near Peshawar, often called the Kanishka stupa, was built by which ruler? Answer is C. Question number 18. Menander I, Milinda, of the Indo-Greeks is famously associated with which Buddhist text and religious conversion? Answer is B. Question number 19. The term Yavana, used in Shungaira texts and inscriptions, generally refers to which group of foreign invaders? Answer is A. Question number 20. Which Indo-Greek king is said to have converted to Buddhism and held discussions with the monk Nagsena? Answer is B. Bonus question. The stupa at Amravati was developed under which dynasty?